What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel, man. I'm Crazy Crypto Cliff, aka Triple C's. Drop them C's in the chat and let me know you're rocking with the kid. All right. Look, guys, these are the stocks that I am investing in during this market correction. All right. So first up on the list, guys, we got to talk about Walmart. Okay, guys, I did a couple of videos a while back about Walmart and how they were doing a lot of innovation to their e-commerce side so they can compete with the likes of Amazon and things like that. And at one point, they surpassed Amazon in sales. Okay, so they did a really good job on that end. Okay, but Walmart is a great company, guys, and they're not going to stop there. Okay, so this is what they have going on. They're deciding that they are going to open up hundreds of convenience stores. Okay, so now what Walmart wants to do is they want to take up some of that market share that 7-Eleven and that 7-Eleven has. Okay, so they're going to be competing with 7-Eleven in the convenience store market, which is a great move, I think, because they can definitely compete with 7-Eleven. They can offer better prices. They can offer some of the same products. So that's going to be very interesting. But let me get the story for you guys. Okay, so here's what this article by the Dow Jones says. Okay, it says big box retailer Walmart said Thursday that it plans to have more than 450 Walmart fuel and convenience stations across 34 U.S. states by the end of this year. The company opened its 400th fueling station in Palm Springs, California in December. So the expansion suggests more than 50 sites are forthcoming in the next 9 months. Walmart continues to employ 10 cents per gallon savings at its private brand stations, but also has alliances with ExxonMobil and Murphy USA, whereby patrons of those brands can get the same discount. Additionally, there are plenty of Sam's Club sites that offer fuel. Now, the emphasis on cheap fuel in this decade represents a departure from a more conservative path the company took on fuel a decade ago. Walmart tends to price its gasoline nearly 20 cents a gallon below competitors, but with overall motor fuel margins of around 40 cents a gallon in recent years, it can count fuel profits as a lucrative category. Okay, now, gang, what does this mean for Walmart? Okay, this is a big deal because basically what they're saying in that article is that Walmart can literally price almost everybody out of the market with their gasoline. Okay, so they're going to have everybody coming to them for gasoline. Okay, the 7-Eleven stores, people are going to come to them because their prices are going to be cheaper. So I mean, this is a huge deal for Walmart, guys. This is really going to solidify them even further in the future. They're already a conglomerate, you know what I mean? So the big dogs, they always find a way to keep their status as the top dog. Okay, so that's what Walmart's doing. They don't want to let Amazon beat them in the market. They don't want anybody to beat them in the market. Okay, but with that being said, guys, we're not going to see the effects of this for a while because they just started rolling this out. Okay, yes, they have their Sam's Club, and their regular little fuel stations and everything, and have a few partnerships, but they haven't rolled out these 400 and something convenience stores yet. There's going to be a couple of years before we start seeing the effects of that. But this just lets you know that Walmart is a good long-term investment. Okay, it could be a good short-term investment as well, but definitely, for the foreseeable future, it's something that you can invest in. Okay, now, guys, so short-term, if you look at the price of Walmart right now, it's $85.98. Okay, so if you're just dollar cost averaging, this is a good entry price, I think. So it's sitting above the the support level. The support is around $82. Okay, so it's sitting above support and it's sitting below the resistance level of $93. Okay, so it's just kind of hovering in that gray area right there. And a lot of this is because of all the tariffs and all that stuff that's going on. The market is still undecided on which way to invest. Okay, so if you're looking for a short term, like an options contract or anything like that, me personally, I'm going to wait a couple of days to see which way this thing breaks, and we definitely want to wait until around like April 2nd as well, so we can see what are the long-term effects of the tariffs going to be. Not just the long-term effects, but what are the actual groundworks for the tariffs? Like how long are the tariffs going to be going on? Okay, so it's a whole big confusion around the tariffs and all that stuff. Okay, so right now, as far as options contract and stuff, I'm going to wait a couple more days, maybe like a week or so, maybe 2 weeks until around April 2nd, until they get all this stuff figured out. So that way we can get a clearer picture of which way the stock is going to go. Okay, now, gang, another stock that I want you guys to keep your eye on is Google, aka Alphabet, the Alphabet boys. Okay, guys, Google is another one of those stocks that just they're just going to be around forever, guys. They're a conglomerate. They got their hands in everything, right? So when you think about the things like that you use every day, I like to invest in things that that I use every day. That I find useful and helpful to me, because I know those companies or are providing a real service, and they're providing a need. They're fulfilling a need. Okay, companies that are fulfilling a need. So when you think about Google, they're the number one search engine, the most widely used search engine in the world. You think about their ad revenue. When you think about YouTube, a lot of people forget that Google owns YouTube. Okay, so and almost everybody uses YouTube. So that's another company that I want you guys to keep your eye on. I'm probably going to do another more in-depth video later on Google, but I just want to get this video out to you guys pretty quickly on this Sunday. But I will definitely be making a video about that later on. All right, look, guys, if you want to learn how to trade stock options, guys, and how we are getting this money trading these stock options, go to my website, crazycryptocliff.com. The link will be down in the description. Sign up, become a member, and you will learn how to trade stock options. It's easy for beginners. I teach you from start to finish how to understand stock options and then how to trade stock options. Okay, so go ahead and do that, guys. That's all I got for you guys in this video. Remember to stay disciplined, and let's get this money.